No matter how cold, wet, early, or blazing hot it is, it's now your turn to get up and work out. There's no room for excuses, not anymore. And if you're still finding a reason to skip it, you haven't accepted your reality that exercise is no longer an option for you. It's a lifestyle. You don't wait for the stars to align or conditions to be perfect. You don't wait for motivation. You act. You move forward. And now that you're single, this is more about just getting in shape. This is about rebuilding who you are from the ground all the way up. Your mindset, your habits, your self-discipline. These are things that are going to carry you through life. And if you're not pushing yourself, you're falling behind. Because every missed workout is a missed opportunity to make yourself stronger, sharper, and more resilient. You skip a workout today and you're setting the stage for missed opportunities tomorrow. So stop allowing yourself the luxury of an excuse. When it's cold, you work out. When it's early, you get the fuck up. And when it's hot, you sweat it out. Because you're no longer the man who waits for the perfect time to start moving. You're the man who takes control and shows up every damn day. Consistency is what builds resilience, and you don't always want to do it. I know that. You won't always feel like it. And that's precisely when it matters the most. Because real progress happens when you show up no matter how you feel, no matter what's going on around you. You're rewriting your story, your narrative, and every workout is a chapter that tells the world that you're in control. And if you're serious, real serious about this, if you're serious about changing your life, and you want to make sure that you don't fall back into the old patterns, then reach out. I'm here to hold you accountable, to challenge you, and to make sure that you stay on the path that you've chosen. I'm here to keep you honest, and this is your time to rise above and redefine who you are. So no more excuses, and get moving.